Here is how your resume looks like. I hope this is one of the best resume. If you have another option from another website, let me know in the comment section. Hi viewers, welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. In this short video, I will show you one of the way how you can prepare your international CV or resume. Let's get started. First of all, you have to come to google.com and you have to type profacia.sk. I will provide the link in the description or in the comment section. So, from the very first link, you have to click on that, and definitely you have to choose translate to English and click translate. And from this page, you have to click on biography, creating nice resume in minutes. So, you have to choose let's get started. So, first of all, you have to choose the CV language, and there are a lot of templates. Mostly, I like this second template. You have to click on that and click further. You have to again click on further. I have created before a resume, that's why it's asking. I will say continue creating a new resume further. You have to choose the gender. You have to write your first name, surname as of your valid passport. You have to write your date of birth as of your passport. I am filling this information as a sample to show you. So you have to write your email address, you have to write your current active mobile number with the country code. You have to change your current residing country. You have to choose further, select further. Now you have to upload your passport size picture. Choose further. So you have to enter the details of your work experience. I have prepared a dummy sample to show you. You have to click on add a job. You have to write your employer name. You have to change the country. I am writing here confidential for my employer, but you have to write your exact employer name. You have to choose your country and your city. I have already a sample of job description. I will copy that to show you. You have to click on save. Then you have to click on another job. Just to show you, I have only filled two sample work experiences. In your case, you have to fill all of your work experiences. Then you have to click further. So here you have to add your education. Either it could be from university, secondary school, or courses or certificates. I will copy the sample from my file. Click save. You have to add your another education as well. In the similar way, you have to choose further. Here you have to add your skills and knowledge. I have written some of the samples. Let me show you. You can choose from these or whatever you want. You have to choose further. Now you have to add your languages. Click further. Now you have to turn it on if you have a driving license residing in the country. So you have to inform about your interests or hobbies. I have a sample. I will copy from there. And you have to write your personal summary. I have a sample here as well. You have to choose further. So it's almost done. You have to choose further. So on the final settings page, you have to choose your desired job title. There is a list of different options available. You have to choose from them, and then you have to choose the country where you are, and you have to choose the type of employment, and then you have to choose the date of possible start. Click on complete resume. So here you have a chance to review all of the entered information, and then from this option you have to download as a PDF. Here is how your resume looks like. I hope this is one of the best resume. If you have another option from another website, let me know in the comment section so that I will add it into the next coming videos. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you very much.